Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Chanel. If you're not new, well, thank you for coming back. So welcome to Boxy Charm Wednesdays. So if you are new, once again, hey, I'm Chanel. Now on Boxy Charm Wednesdays, we use products that came in our Boxy Charm boxes, you guys. So either in the past, the present, or maybe in future boxes if I happen to have them, and we play with them. I mean, our products that we still have and probably haven't used in a long time. And we just sit and, we play with makeup. So we do this every Wednesday. So if you have some of these products, even if you got them in the past, a couple years ago, go ahead, pull them out. You can do your makeup with me. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. So sometimes in these videos, I also use products that did not come in Boxy Charm. That's just what I do. So I have already moisturized my face, and I did use my Juno Co Moonshine Miracle Cream to moisturize my face. Link down below if you want to try them out. It's not affiliate, but if you want to save you some coins, you can go ahead and try this out. So it's a moisturizing primer, so it does both. Yeah. So my brows are already did, and I'm using my brow pomade that's currently in my project pan. I'll do my best to link that up in the cards for you guys to go ahead and check out. Now for the eyes, we are going to be using the palette that just came in my Boxy Charm Premium. And here it is. This is from Ofra Cosmetics. This is their Good to Go palette. So we're going to go ahead and play with this palette. And this is what the palette looks like. You can see that? This is what the palette looks like right there. And we're going to go ahead and do a neutral look because we're also going to play with this lipstick that came in our box too. So I'm going to go ahead and add a second layer of primer to my face, and I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and this is the original one. I'm just going to add a little bit of that, especially in this area of my face. I'm also going to go in with my MAC Paint Pot in the shade Laying Low, and I'm going to kind of apply that in my smile lines here. And I'm kind of going to use it as the eyeshadow base too. I'm going to go in with a little bit of my e.l.f. concealer. I know you guys, so far everything I'm using has nothing to do with BoxyCharm. I know. Add this concealer, I'm going to go in with these Luxie brushes that came in December's BoxyCharm box. I have not used these yet, you guys, but I want to play with them. So that is what I'm using today. So the first brush I'm using is their Luxie 11 concealer brush right here. And I'm going to use this to use the concealer to clean up right underneath my brows. I know it's light, you guys, I know. But I want this light shade to help pop my eyeshadow. Well, not really. Okay, so going into this palette right here, I think I want to go in with this shade right here as my transition shade. And I believe this shade is called Reset. And I'm just gonna use that shade as my transition shade. And I'm just going to tap it right on top of the concealer. So if you never tried BoxyCharm, it's a monthly subscription box where they have 3 different versions. That is 2. Okay, they have 3 different versions of the box. I have a link down below in my description box, so I'll make sure I put it in my description box if you want to try BoxyCharm out. Go ahead and use my link. It doesn't give me any money, but it does earn me points if you use my link to sign up. There we go. Okay, so I think the next shade in this palette, I'm going to go in with this shade here, and I believe this one is called Ready. So I'm going to go in with this shade into my outer V. And I'm just going to place it right in here. So I was talking to my dad today, you guys. I just thought I would, share this with you guys. And at the time of me filming this, my dad was telling me that it snowed in the IE yesterday. And I was like, I saw everybody mentioning it on Facebook, and I was like, that was like hail. That is not no snow. And then my dad was like, yeah, it rained, it held, and then it snowed. And if you're not from California, then you don't know where the IE is, but the IE is in Southern California, and like it never snows out there. Like the last time it snowed, I believe, I want to say, I think I was like 19 or 20 years old when it snowed in Fontana, California. Yeah, I think that was like the last time it snowed. In SoCal. I'm not talking about Big Bear. I'm talking about, in the IE area. By the way, I haven't played with Ofra like shadows. Like I had like a single shadow a long time ago. This is my first Ofra palette, and I'm really liking the pigmentation on this palette. So there we go. As you can see, I'm kind of ready for spring. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Alamar Cosmetics. This is their, eyeshadow primer, you guys. It's a very, very sticky primer, so I'm gonna do one eye at a time. And I was thinking about doing a neutral look, but I kind of want to play with this green color. But yeah, we're gonna play with that green color. I'm gonna do this color right here, and this color here is Fresh. So we're gonna play with this shade Fresh. Before I go any further, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. This came in Boxy Charm, I want to say in December, and this is their Apple Plus Balm. I don't know. By this brand here, Surfing Botanical something. This is their Glow Lip Mask. I like this stuff, you guys. Like when you put it on your lips and you go to sleep and you're not doing any other activities, this stays on your lip all night, okay? But other than that, y'all don't use it as a lip balm. Just, well, you can. I guess you could. But it comes off when you eat. Eyeshadow base, just a little bit, just a dot like that. I'm gonna go back in with my concealer brush, and I'm going to pat it out. So now I'm gonna go in with that green shade called Fresh, and I'm gonna use another brush from BoxyCharm. This is the Let's See 209 large shader brush here. And I'm gonna place that on my lid. Just kind of pat it in there. Okay, I'm gonna stop there with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and add another primer on top. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Double Duty primer here. This one came in a BoxyCharm. I'm just gonna put like a little bit, like that much. Like that might have been too much. And we're gonna add that right on top. Alright, y'all, we just gonna act like my lashes are cooperating today, because right now they are not cooperating, like, at all. Now, I did just get the new Fenty Beauty. Well, it's not new, but it's new to my collection, the Fenty Beauty mascara. Now, I'm not gonna open that because I already have a lot of mascaras open, and I'm currently using Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury right here. So I'm not going to open another mascara right now. Sorry, y'all. So I did go ahead and line my lips with the ColourPop lip liner and BFF4. And now we're going to go ahead and use this Laura Mercier lipstick here. This cream lipstick in the shade Rose Decadent. And we're going to go ahead and apply this. Ooh. I guess I can use the cap as a mirror, y'all. Let's see. Alright, beautiful. So here is the finished look. This is how the whole look came out. I really do like the colors and how everything blended, and that little pop of green on top, y'all. It gets me, I don't know, y'all, but it's to me is calling tropical. Okay, I'm getting tropical vibes over here. I'm ready for vacation. I am ready to get out the house. I'm ready to be off of quarantine. Well, y'all, I really do like this palette that came in my BoxyCharm Premium. Now, I did go ahead and give away the palette that came in my BoxyCharm base box. That was, I believe it was the Olive View palette. Oopsie. I did give that away in a giveaway, and the person I chose for that or has already received it. But y'all, tell me why during BoxyCharm pop-up, when they had that palette for sale, I apparently bought one before I received my box. Yeah, so I do have another one. I wasn't trying to have another one, but you know, hey, it is what it is. I guess, you know, maybe I'll save that one for a giveaway too, or maybe I'll try that one out. You guys go ahead and let me know, and then, you know, we'll figure it out from there. But yeah, I really do enjoy this palette. This palette is, at least the shades I've used, the 3 shades I used, is so pretty. This is the highlighter that came in here and has a variety of shades. This says all of the lights. That's the different shades of, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 4 highlighter shades in this highlighter little pan here. I do have an Ofra highlighter. It's in the shade Bali, and it looks like this. Now, I purchased this one, and this is what the shade is. It's a very, very pretty shade, you guys. Very, very pretty. I really do like this highlighter shade. Alright, beautiful. That is all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please go ahead and consider subscribing so you can always catch me on BoxyCharm Wednesday. Let me know what kind of look that you guys created. Go ahead and tag me on Instagram so I can come and check it out. Or you used to leave me a message telling me come check out your page, and I will. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being a part of my fam bam here. And if you got this palette, what kind of palette, what kind of look did you create? And what look would you like me to recreate again with this palette? Because this is a nice palette. Or any other BoxyCharm palette at that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Now remember to embrace your beauty. And you can find this headband, but in a little longer length, on my website at eybeauty.com. The link will be down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again later. Bye.